Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to set up the activity zones on your Xiaomi Smart Camera C701. So at first you need to tap this surveillance here and tap turn on. Once it's turned on, you can see monitoring time, alarm interval, detection push notifications, e-notification time, and don't notify about incomplete recordings. Here adjust these all things up to your own preferences. And now here we have the home surveillance. As you can see, we have to tap I understand, and this is our surveillance. And actually now if any motion is detected, this should be saved in your surveillance. Of course, it's not only about motion, it's just any important events that are happening in front of these should be recorded over here. That's it actually. That's the whole psychology. Here they have all events, way behind, person move, motion detected, pet detected, entered geofenced area, left geofenced area, smoke or flame detected, unusual sound. And it's in front of our camera. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.